Hi everyone, so we are meeting today with the Rocky Mountain AI interest group to talk about federated learning on Apple Silicon. So first of it all, thanks Bill for the invitation. I'm really excited to talk about BlossomTuneLLM-MLX. That is a project that I worked on in the past few months. So first of all, a small introduction about me. You can find a link with my portfolio and my project in the QR code. My name is Massimo Roberto Scamarcia and I'm a software engineer with over 20 years of experience in software development and infrastructure. And I've been focusing in the past few years on building scalable, secure and efficient systems for different kind of companies. And lately my passion has been mostly focused on efficient and sustainable technology. So I've been a developer for many years, an hacker, an independent researcher. And everything I'm doing right now is focused on efficiency and specialization, and that directly led me to the project that we are talking about today. So Blossom Tumor didn't came out from nowhere. It's based on the Flower framework. And the Flower framework is a very powerful open source framework for federated learning. This allows you to train AI models across different devices, like in our cases, even laptops or edge devices. And this happens without ever collecting or centralizing the sensitive data from those devices. And the team at Flower Labs started the past year an initiative called Flower Tune LLM. So Yang Gao, a researcher working at Flower Labs, led the initiative by allowing multiple participants to join a leaderboard challenge to benchmark small language models on supervised fine-tuning. This led to a paper publication at NeuroPS 2025, and it was built, as you can expect, on Hugging Face transformers, which is all based on PyTorch, and unfortunately at the time required us to run everything on NVIDIA GPUs. This gave direct inspiration for BlossomTune LLM that basically adapted and refined the original Flower Tune LLM code. And initially this project targeted both local and cloud-based environment by leveraging Docker containers. And this still required a GPU setup in order to run due to some limitation around the bits and bytes library for quantization that unfortunately is not available yet for the Apple Silicon. And you can go to the next slide. The aha moment, so MLX. I've been looking for alternatives, as I didn't want to spend all my money on NVIDIA GPU compute, as I already had some Apple Silicon machine at home. I decided, yeah, why not trying to use Flower FL with MLX. So MLX as Apple's native framework, which can leverage of the system unified memory. So the idea, I started to explore different possibilities, and the most natural approach for me was to use MLXLM. MLXLM already allows you to serve, even with an OpenAI compatible endpoint, to serve an LLM, and even to fine-tune the LLM using LoRa and parameter efficient fine-tuning. So the natural evolution, as I said, was BlossomTuneLLM-MLX. So the backend has been replaced completely with MLXLM. This allows you native performance, so you can run everything on your M1, M2, M3 or M4 Mac. There is no Docker required. You can just simple Python installation, That's just work. That would allow you actually to have a lot of fun and have like a LAN party like it's 1999. That is something I've written in the README, because you can literally get few friends, bring your MacBooks, connect to the same network, and collaboratively fine-tune a specialized model. In each round, the server sends the global adapter weights to the clients. And each client, each Mac fine-tunes its own local data partition and sends only the updated adapter weights back to the superlink. And that's basically, in short, how Flower Framework work, and how BlossomTuneLLM leverage of MLX-LM and Flower Framework for performing federated learning on device. And that's it. Thanks everyone. Thanks to the Rocky Mountain AI interest group. The goal is to make decentralized, privacy-preserving AI/ML a reality for everyone. And get ready for the hands-on deep dive with Uche. Thanks again.